Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow Civitatis to use your location in the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the location button and click on the white circle next to it. And it will direct you to your phone's settings, and in order to allow the access, just click on the location button, and as you can see, you can set multiple ways for the application to use your location. So if you only want it to use while you're in the application, then just click on that, and you can even set if you want to give the precise location or not. And this way works if you have an iPhone. I don't know with Android how it's gonna go, but then just go back to the application, and as you can see, this button turned to pink, so it means that the location is on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.